Hi everyone, it's me, Jennifer, and I got some mail today. Actually, it came yesterday. And it is from my cousin Mandy. If you remember, Mandy is Jean's daughter. So we've been trying to talk her into getting her own channel, and I'm in a different environment. I'm at my mom's house. If you don't know, and by the time you see this anyways, I'm not sure if she'll be home or not. My mother is in the hospital with COVID. She had double pneumonia, and I'm watching my brother who's special needs and needs 24-hour care. So I'm here taking care of him, and I have a low cold. Yeah. So anyways, well, let's see what's in the box. It's a big box, Mandy. I mean, it's a big box. I don't know what she sent me. But she's pretty generous and nice and super sweet. So let's see what she sent. I'm so curious. Okay, if I can get the box open. Yeah, love having a low cold. No, it's special. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a card. It says Jennifer. Let's open it up. Find out what's going on. It says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Jennifer sending you hugs. Better yet, a squeeze. Hang in there. Hope you are feeling better. Sorry about your fur baby. Love, Mandy. Oh, Mandy, that is so sweet. Yeah, that was really hard. I lost my little girl, Tirza, and finding her was the hardest thing. I was trying to be good, trying to be strong, but once I found her, I lost it. So, anyways, that was really thoughtful of you, Mandy. Thank you. And she sent me all sorts of goodies. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is a pretty cup. I love ceramic cups. This is so pretty, and thank you. Wow. And oh my gosh. Girl. Whoa. She went crazy. Hot chocolate. Oh my goodness. Mandy, oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, her mother asked me what my favorite perfume was. Now I know why. Mandy Beerbower. This is like my favorite perfume ever. Holy cannolis, girl. Thank you. My gosh, girl, you went crazy. You are too much. When are you going to get your own channel, girl? The world wants to see you. Oh my goodness. Andy, you're going to make me cry. This is just so sweet. What the heck? You still haven't done this? Oh my goodness. I have chickens. That is so cute. Mandy Beerbower, that is just so sweet of you. You goat girl. Oh my gosh, it's a bag. I love it. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, Mandy. Oh my goodness. I almost bought this the other day. I saw this. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. Thank you. You are too much. Oh my goodness. I love my goats. I'll show you a picture of them. If you haven't seen them, it's Kizzy and Mr. Pickles. I just had to take this out. It's a little purse. It is super cute. Driving people crazy, one goat at a time. Oh my gosh, there's another one. These are really cute. And they're very adorable. Wow. That is so sweet. I'm not done. She's just way out. Oh my goodness. Not lucky, just blessed. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Not lucky, just blessed. I love it. And it's green. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cute. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. This looks like a perfect little tea cart. I don't know if you can see it. This is it. It is so cute. It's got the little wheels and everything. It is adorable. It's very cute. It's a decor, but wouldn't it be cute to put some like the tea in here and you can put something on top? So adorable. That is so cute. Mandy, Beerbower. I had no clue. That was so sweet of you. And you probably saw that I got a new little girl. She's been such a blessing. The little girl, Nezzy, is the sweetest little thing I've ever seen. She's tiny. She's 7 pounds. But, yeah, that was so sweet. I thank you so much. That was so unexpected. And thank you. I love you. Maybe we get to hang again sometime soon. So, all right, y'all. I just had to share that. That was amazing. Wasn't expecting it. And thanks for watching with me. Have a wonderful and a blessed day. Bye.